Alleviating flooding in your backyard is the focus of a task force here in the Lowcountry. And News 2's Olivia Parsons is live for us out on James Island this morning. And Olivia, the task force is going to walk through neighborhoods again today, and this will be the third time they've done this.
Brad, I'm standing in one of those neighborhoods where the walkthrough will happen here on James Island, and these walkthroughs are actually happening every 90 days. Afterwards, there's going to be a reporting session at the Charleston City Hall. State Senator Sandy Sen, who represents Charleston, says entities will report which flooding problems they were able to resolve within the 90-day period that just happened. Sen chairs the countywide Intergovernmental Flood Prevention Task Force Committee. She says these walkthroughs are so successful they're now being done statewide. Sen says it all started with a simple idea.
We get every single entity that has right-of-way, heavy equipment, and we say, how can we fix this neighborhood's problems?
Once the task force believes that they've fixed the problem, Senator Sen will then reach out to the homeowner just to make sure that the issue is fixed to their satisfaction. Reporting on James Island this morning, Olivia Parsons, Count on 2.